In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in Google Slides. This is a useful skill when you want to emphasize the content in your slides by softening the details in the background. So let's dive right in and learn how to achieve this effect. First things first, open your Google Slides presentation and choose the slide where you'd like to blur the background. It's important to make sure that the background you want to blur is on the slide you're focusing on. Now, what you want to do is use the option to add an image. You can do this by heading up to the menu at the top of the screen and clicking on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Image and then choose Upload from Computer if you have the background image saved locally. If you're planning to use an image from the web, choose Search the Web and find your image there. Once you have your image inserted into the slide, you're ready for the next step. With the image now in your slide, click on it to select it. A toolbar menu will appear at the top of the screen, offering a variety of options. You're going to search for Format Options. It should be there among your choices. Click Format Options, and a panel will open up on the right side of your screen. This is where we'll apply the blur effect. In this Format Options panel, you want to find the tab labeled Adjustments. Click on it, and you'll see options for altering the transparency, brightness, and contrast of your image. But what we're focusing on today is the blur effect. Look for and select the Recolor option. You should see different preset effects applicable to your image. While this isn't a direct blur effect, it opens the door to applying further effects. To truly introduce a blur into your background, you will need to get a bit creative. Use external software to blur your image beforehand, then import it into Google Slides and adjust its position accordingly. However, if you're keen on exploring what Google Slides has to offer, experiment with the Adjustments tab settings. Increasing the transparency incrementally can effectively soften your image, creating a blur-like backdrop, which can really make your text and other slide elements pop. Finally, once you've adjusted and positioned your blurred image to your liking, ensure that the elements in the foreground, like your text or figures, are clear and legible. Drag and reposition them as needed. This careful layering will bring focus to the content of your presentation. And there you have it, the essentials on how to blur your background in Google Slides. Experiment with different effects and adjustments to see what best suits your presentation style. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in creating more engaging slides. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips.